What is up, YouTube? Today we got Harrison in the house. We're social distancing. We got 6 foot going on here, but we're about to spend all weekend making epic videos for you guys to watch. There's going to be a live stream later. You guys have probably already seen that. I don't know the order of all this, but anyway, me and Harrison have got so bored that we made an entire model of my entire neighborhood. Yeah, let's go look at it. Harrison, show it to me.
I got you.
Are you gonna show it to him?
Yeah, here. You know, why don't we just like video it and then like put it in the video, like a montage?
Like do a montage?
Yeah, like, you know, like a sick slow-mo of it.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Alright, here.
Harrison,
Huh?
you think they believe that?
No.
No. Well, okay. Sorry, this was like a byproduct of boredom. We're gonna get to work on doing some real stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Go put Harrison Vlogs down there in the description for helping me out on the next couple of videos that you guys will be seeing. Maybe before this one, I may have left this one in like
The trash.
for next week, you know, when there's like nothing else going on and I gotta work. So you may have already seen all that, but anyway, Harrison has helped on some of the videos that I will be making. But y'all get it anyway.
Subscribe.
Bye.
I can't say
See you.
I can't say the D word, but subscribe.
Subscribe, damn it.
There you go.